Hello, virtual educators. Hello, team.
Hey, Matt.
Hi, Matt.
Today we are going to flex our superhero virtual educator powers one more time with a new feature. Are you ready for it?
We're ready.
In case you can't tell, the new feature is backgrounds. New backgrounds, we get to change our backgrounds. Isn't that cool? I'm going to show you how to do it. I'll show you the feature. You go to the bottom, we go to the three dots, change your background, and look at all these options. Bam, 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 bam. Changing backgrounds, it's amazing. All right, we're gonna play a game with it today. It's called Background Karaoke. Sarah, you do the talking. I'm changing my backgrounds. Rachel, you keep time.
Ooh, Matt, after a long year of work, decided to go on vacation with his family. So he took a trip to the ocean side, and there they found a lovely seaside cafe where they had lunch. And after that, he frolicked in the roses outside the cafe and enjoyed a nice little nap in the garden bed. And he had dreams that he was floating in the clouds, and he skipped and jumped in the clouds, and from there, he fell into the ocean. He had a dream he was falling deep in the ocean and started swimming around with all the fishes. And they had a great time. And after he climbed out
And there you have it, changing backgrounds. A fun, engaging way to get students to honor their privacy and get them on screen and turning their cameras on. You can use it to play a game. You can use it to divide up teams. You can have Team Galaxy, Team Ocean, things like that. There are lots of different ideas. Check out our one-pager for more details.